Alright, welcome to today's tutorial. As you can see by the title, we're going to learn how to fix some battery corrosion on an old trail cam that I neglected for a couple of years. This is an old stealth cam here. And all you're going to need is a toothbrush and some Q-tips and a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar. Let's get started. So as you can see here, as we first open it up, does not turn on whatsoever. So, due to the fact, all the corrosion here, oh, there we go, we got one. All the corrosion inside, oh, we missed a battery. All the corrosion inside here is just absolutely brutal. And so what you want to do is take a toothbrush from your local sink or bathroom, preferably not yours, and just start kind of getting the loose pieces out. Once you got that all done, then that's when you grab your white vinegar and she's gonna start sizzling here a bit, and you just start applying to the corrosion. Oh yeah, you can see it bubbling. I don't know if you could see that on the camera, but it's bubbling right in here. And you just apply this to all the spots where it's corroding. Now also for the stuff that you can't get the toothbrush in, like preferably these springs, you could actually use a little flat screwdriver or something to just get in there and scratch at the corrosion there. So after a little bit of TLC, here's the finished product of scrubbing away with these three things: white vinegar, toothbrush, and a little flat screwdriver. So the same batteries we just had in there, we're gonna try put the back in and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, well then I guess the YouTube tutorial that I watched was lying to me. What a guy. There you go. And it turns on. Unreal. That's so awesome. And there you have it, folks. Once again, you have a perfectly good working trail camera. Once again. Unreal. Look at this. It was already on. Okay, here we go. There, you see that? Green. Turning on. SD card needed. No SD card. See you in the next one. Also, one more thing I want to add into. So, we're talking about a trail cam here, which, I mean, it's a trail cam. It takes pictures of animals secretly, in secret. And you might want to air this thing out because You ain't a secret out there if you have this thing. And just between me and you, well, that's probably the best hunting tip you'll ever get.
Tú, hágate una lavada y contribuye para ella. Tú, hay que hacer ahora con los dos sacos de arroz.